What's up, guys? I got this. I'll be back. Go, bitch! Alright. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Again, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Hopefully everybody enjoys their Thanksgiving today with their families and stuff. So today it's still wet outside. So today's vlog, I'm vlogging later tonight at Wedgwood 2. I'll probably vlog tonight and post a video tomorrow morning. We're gonna vlog tonight, tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday, and then probably take a break. Probably take a break Monday through Wednesday next week. Probably post Wednesday or Thursday. But today's video is going to be another bike check. I'm doing my Hyper Wizard bike check, and I love this bike. I got it last Christmas, and I love it. Like, most parts on there, like I said in yesterday's vlog, go peep it. It'll be up here in the cards. Go watch that video if you haven't watched it yet. I did my We the People bike check. It'll be up here. And like I said in that video, it will be the parts I usually run is Odyssey, Colt, Sunday, and We the People. So Odyssey is mostly We the People, I think. I mean Odyssey, because I do got a Hyper Wizard bike frame. So enough talking. I don't want this video being that long. So yeah, I'll see you downstairs. Maxxis tires are alright. I'm not gonna say they're the best. They do got some grip. I mean, as you can see, they're skinny, so it does got some grip. I'm rocking Odyssey rims, Odyssey cranks, Mifficial pedals, or whatever this is. It says something. The seat, I'm using a stolen seat. The bars, I already said that they're Snafu. The hubs are Odyssey. Like I said, everything on here is mostly Odyssey. Odyssey and Sunday, yeah. Sunday chain and Sunday sprocket. Oh shit. So like I said, everything on this bike is nice. I love it. It's same thing with this bike over here, this Colt bike. Everything on here is Odyssey and Sunday on all my bikes. I mean, this is a Colt frame, but Odyssey and Sunday is mostly on here. Same thing with my We the People. I don't even know where that bike's at. I think I left it upstairs in my room. But Odyssey and Sunday. I recommend running these parts, definitely. The frame is amazing, bro. Like, I don't see one scratch on it. I mean, yeah, there's a couple, but dude, it shines out so bright. So I recommend running all these parts. Like I said in yesterday's video, go peep that. It'll be up in the cards. I already said that earlier. Maxxis tires ain't the best. I don't like them. They're good, but I don't like them. They are skinny though, so Maxxis tires are for parking stuff. But I need to air up my tires though, so I might ride this today. But I need to air up my tires. So you guys, I recommend running all these parts on the bike. Definitely. It's really nice. Always the best. What else? Did I go over everything on this bike? Oh. The seat post, I'm running an Odyssey seat post. An Odyssey seat post. And the clamp came with the bike. But I'm using an Odyssey seat post. Definitely the best. Yeah, guys, that is it. I'll go upstairs and talk about how much these parts costed, and then that's it. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. Alright guys, I'm back. So I recommend running all those parts, definitely. Um, so yeah, I just want to say this real quick. This is totally off subject. 2 fresh pods. Shout out to my mom for buying them for me. Shout out to my mom for buying them for me. 2 fresh pods. Well, this one I just put in this morning, so it's basically 3 fresh pods. 3 of them. Shout out to my mom. Just want to put that in the video. Alright, so like I was saying, I recommend running all those parts on your bike. So let's go over how much it costed, because I'm going downstairs to hang out with family for a little bit since it's Thanksgiving. So I'm not gonna make this video long. So the bars costed $150. The frame was $600 or $700. The tires were like $50 or $100. The rims were like $500. The cranks were $100. The pedals were $30. The hubs were like $60, $65. The seat post was $20. The seat was like $30. The grips, they're scooter grips. I got them for like $10, $15, or $5. I don't know. Grips are pretty cheap. For the what else? The forks I got for $150. So right there, that's like $1,500, or that's like $1,000 or $1,500 into that bike. I think it's like in between $1,000 and $1,500. I do got a bike in my grandpa's that has $2,000 into it, which is an all oil slick bike. If you don't know what oil slick is, it's basically like rainbow, like oil slick. It's like rainbow, like the bike I just showed you how the frame was like rainbow oil slick. I got an all oil slick bike at his house that I'll do a bike check on this weekend. All oil slick. The frame, the hubs, the spokes, the rims, everything's oil slick besides the tires, because you know they got black tires on it, but everything else is oil slick on it. Everything besides the tire, seat, and I think the seat post. That's it. But everything else is oil slick, and the grips. So grips, seat post, seat, and tires. The only 4 things on that bike ain't oil slick, but everything else is oil slick. The bars, the forks, the frames, the rims, the spokes, the cranks, the sprocket, the chain, the hubs. Oh, and the chains and the pedals ain't oil slick either. At least oh no, the pedals are oil slick. The pedals are oil slick. They're metal. So there's something on my bed. Oh, it's my phone. It was under my ass. I need to charge my camera after this video. So, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe, peep up in the cards, go watch that video of yesterday's bike check. I already said earlier when I started the video, it's up here. Go check out that video. I did my We the People bike check yesterday. So yeah, go peep that video. The link will also be down below in the description of that video. If you're too lazy to fucking go up here. I'll leave a link down below in the description to my social medias. I'll leave a link down below in the description to my other YouTube channels. I got a beat channel, BMX channel, and a gaming channel. If you subscribe to those channels, I post on my gaming channel every day. I post on my beat channel every other day, and I post on my BMX channel like every weekend or every 2 weekends. Go subscribe to those channels. New BMX edit coming this weekend on my BMX channel. Go turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on that video. And subscribe to my post notifications on my channel, on the vlog channel, so you don't miss out on a single vlog coming up this weekend. So yeah, that's all I got to say. So peace out, everybody. Have a good Thanksgiving. Hopefully everybody spends time with their family, has a good Thanksgiving. And yeah, I'll see y'all in tonight's vlog or tomorrow's. Peace.